Hi everyone, my name is Esther. I am from the blog VictorianLaneFarms.com. I am out of town visiting my mom and dad, and there are a couple Goodwills in this area. This one is in Mount Vernon, Washington. Sorry about the glare there. I am just really loving this one. It has like a needlepoint fabric underneath with a pear pattern. Don't you think this would be so pretty for fall? Could also be a tray, don't you think? Like looking at the back, it really does look vintage, doesn't it? I'm excited to show you all the vintage things I came across, so stay tuned. Okay, can you guys see this? I cannot believe it. It is an old vintage trunk. I don't know how old it is, but it is absolutely amazing. They're asking $34.99. I mean, look at this rusty old look. I think this was my favorite find here at this Goodwill. I love that one. Here's a clock. I just want to show you this. It's definitely not vintage, but it has the wrought iron look, and I like the face of the clock. And at $19.99, that's a pretty good price. What do you guys think? I have shown you guys many lamps from Goodwill, but these ones are super neat. I love the details. And at $25 each, that would be a $50 investment. I'm always checking the cord. I really like the overall look of these ones. And over here I actually found some little lamps. I don't know, what do you guys think about that price? It looks like oil bronze. I don't know. The cord looks good. The challenge would be to find a lampshade for that one. And this one is so cute. I could see this used at an entryway. I really like the base of this, but not so much the shade. But that could be easily changed. And then over here, of course, I have to show you guys some teacups. Here are some really pretty ones. I am really drawn to these pink ones here. They are all so pretty. And then here is a blue one. I really like that one. Check out this teapot. It is in really good condition. And I really like this little set. It's a little sugar bowl and creamer. Those are so cute. But this is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that look vintage and old? I love that one. And I love these kind that has the teacup and the teapot combo. But what really caught my eye were these. This is a whole set. I mean, check this out. I like that it's plain and has the gold edging. And then this one is also beautiful. It's a Lennox set. I mean, it would be perfect for any occasion. I love that one. And this little set caught my eye. I like that blue. I mean, check this out. I love that bowl with the lid. Wow. In this area, they gathered together some lemon pieces like this plate for $2.99. Here is this little serving dish. It's a little set. And I don't know, this would be really pretty for fall. I like that one. And of course, I have to show you this Victorian vase and this rooster plate. And then I seen this flatware storage box. I was hoping there would be some silver flatware inside, but it is really pretty. I have seen these for over $100 online. I love old vintage chairs. These ones remind me of music chairs. I'm not sure, but I really like the fabric of these. If you guys know what these are called, let me know down below. I am now at Sedro Woolley, Washington, Goodwill, and I found some really pretty plates here. Isn't that cute? It is very rare that I come across Norman Rockwell plates like this one, and at $4.99 that's a pretty good price. And this is plate number 23. This one is adorable with a little girl playing with her doll. And then there's this one with Grandma making tea for her grandbabies. And I ended up buying this one because it has the fall colors. And this is number 6 plate. And this one has a Christmas look, so I bought that one as well. Sometimes I cannot believe the things I see at Goodwill, like this plate. And then this one. It's the Elizabeth Rose. Isn't that pretty? And I love picnic baskets. This one's so nice. I love that green plaid. Let's see. It is $24.99. And I was surprised there was some really good silver in this store. Like this teapot. Now remember, these can be shined up with some polish and look like new. What do you guys think of these prices? I'd love to hear your comments below. And this is unique with that wooden handle to pour. And this is such a pretty vase. Wow. And now I am in the serving dishes area and found some really neat dishes that could be used for the fall season. Like this bowl, isn't it pretty? It has the pumpkin design. And I like that it is dishwasher and microwave safe. I actually found a couple of cordon bleu bowls with the handle. It's kind of nice when you find a pair that go together. But here is a leaf bowl. That is so pretty. I really like the ornate look of this one. This would be a perfect bowl to add to the holidays coming up here, like Thanksgiving. I know it's hard to believe that's coming up soon. As well as this. Copper pieces are perfect for adding to fall decor. But I have to say, these crystal, beautiful pieces are just outstanding. Especially at $1.99. That would make a great soap dish. This gravy bowl caught my eye because it is huge. And I like the attached plate. And I love that coloring, so I snagged that one. And here is another little delicate creamer. Isn't that cute? I love that one. Here is one that has the fall look. This is fine stoneware. I will link a video up above where I found a bunch of pear things at a Goodwill, and this one would be great with my little collection. I love the colors. And I had to show you guys this clock. It's $14.99. What do you guys think? And check out what I found. 2 French chairs. The fabric is in perfect condition. My mom and I sat in these and they were so cozy. And so I ended up buying them for my mom and dad for their house. And they were $24.99 a piece. Can you believe that? Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. You guys have a great week. And until next time, bye for now.